Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. This is a 2020 567 day cab with a 4500 Allison Cummins 500. So I'm just going to hold her to the floor. It's hard to show both, but I'm just going to hold it to the floor so that you can see how this thing operates and how it shifts, having a torque converter, and how much different it is than an Eaton Ultra shift, which is an automated shift. So I'm going to hold her to the floor and we're going to go. So here we go. It's hard to show both, the road and this, but you can see it goes really well. She's governed at 75, so just like that, you're at 75 miles an hour. And if you throw the jakes on, see the jakes are on, it goes to fourth gear immediately. So that is, I apologize for this video, it's not very good, but when you throw an Allison into the jake brake mode, it will automatically go from 6th to 4th. So that's not a problem. I mean, I've had customers call me and say, hey, this thing is automatically just jumping to 4th. That's what they do. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. I apologize for the quality of the video, but didn't know how else to do it. So it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Thank you.